Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you are having an issue on your Windows 11 computer. The option to show seconds in the system tray clock option is missing. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type Windows Update. Click on open it. Click on check for updates. If any available updates listed over here, you just need to update it guys. After updating it, it may require you to restart your PC. After restarting your PC, hopefully your issue has been resolved guys. After restarting your PC, in case if you're still having issue, then you just need to go to search menu and type registry editor. Click on open it and select yes. Now in the registry, you just need to expand the H key current user folder and now expand the software and expand the Microsoft. And now you just need to expand the Windows folder, expand it, and now current version, and now Explorer, expand it, and now select the advanced. You just need to select the advanced over here. At this point you just need to know the file path location. In my video I will zoom in guys. After checking it, on right side you just need to search for the value named as show seconds in the system tray. If you don't have anything named as, you just need to create it guys. You just need to right click on the blank area and select default 32-bit value. Name this value show S capital letter guys, SHOW. Seconds S capital letter, SECONDS, and in capital letter IN, and system S capital letter SYSTEM, and C capital letter CLOCK, and now press enter. And now you just need to double click on this value and you just need to type here 1 for enabling this value. So if you want to show seconds in the system clock, you just need to type here 1 guys. The value 1 is to enable this option, the value 0 is to disable this option guys. This tutorial is to enable this option, and I'm gonna type value data 1 and select OK. As you can see, my seconds in the system clock has been enabled. For disabling it, you just need to type here 0 value data, and now that has been disabled guys. That's all you have to do it guys. In our case, if you don't see anything changes in here, then you just need to go ahead and restart your PC for the changes take effect. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.